The Epcot fireworks at Disney World can be viewed both in the park. This is the view from the Mexico Pavilion, which is one of my favorites. You can catch another video on that here at Jenna Loves Magic. Or you could watch the fireworks and beat the fireworks crowd by checking out the view from outside the park. This is on the Disney Skyliner, and it's a beautiful view of the Epcot fireworks show. So I'm going to show you start to finish our ride on the Skyliner watching these beautiful fireworks. Hey there, you're listening to Jenna Loves Magic, where we chat things like tips for planning Disney World trips, including what to do and food to eat. If that sounds good to you, subscribe for more Disney vacation tips. Now let's get to it.
On the boardwalk every evening. If you are traveling to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Disney's Pop Century Resort, or please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise.
You can usually find the fireworks show in Epcot between 9 and 10 p.m., but double check in your app to make sure it didn't change that day. I have some other videos that you'd be interested to see if you're taking a family trip to Disney World and planning it all out. One's on stroller parking tips, and I have a couple other character meet and greets at Disney World to check out. This is another one at Epcot. It's Winnie the Pooh. Check out that video on Jenna Loves Magic YouTube. And then I'm going to have a new video coming up soon for catching all the characters in Magic Kingdom Park.